Tracing the line between wild and insane, always flying, death-defying. Tens of feet off the ground, no fear of dying. I'm the Stuntman, that's the name of the game. Playing with fire, you'd think I'm insane. 50 feet up, high in the air, like a bat out of hell, I'll double dare. I'll hit the gas and won't look back. I'm crashing down hard and I'm still intact, living in the fast lane and no safety plan. I'm the best of the best, I'm the Stuntman. Crashing cars in a high-speed chase, metal and flames all up in my face. One wrong move and I'm history.